Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sadafal Salim. I read in class 5 and my school name is Maflif International School. I made a car with the help of so many materials for my science fair project. This is a remote control car, and you see there is a module. I use so many materials, but the main material is the foil paper because I made as an antenna. When I push the button, see there is light on, and the wheel also got down. First, when I signal the antenna goes to the send the signal to the module, and then module to the battery and power the DC motor, and it start working. You can see, and then the antenna get the signal again and send to the module, and then module to the battery, and then battery send the power to the headlights, and the headlight on. And when I push as the to go forward, the light on, but when I take the backward, the light didn't on because the backward is not necessary. You can see I use so many things. The 9-volt battery, this is a module, this is a switch, this is a DC motor. You can see the DC motor, and I taped it because of a finish. And you see there is so many mechanism. There is the body wheel and the wheels. I use the wheel, and there is so many things. Okay, please.